Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be unboxing this one. Okay, so this is an ROG mousepad. Okay, unbox. So this is, I like this one. It's affordable, less than 100 pesos, guys. So ganda ko dito is that it's black. So this one is, may RGB siya dito. Ito ko sa inyo. This one. Okay. So this one has RGB, as you can see. But this one doesn't have an RGB, but I like the design. Tignan nyo guys. And so it's black. Yeah. You see? Yeah. So remove mo na yung ano natin dito. Yung old. This one is like, I think 4 inches, 4 millimeter to just 3. So I think this one is just a little bit smaller. So it's 700 by 400 guys. But I think I'm gonna make this one more. It's because of the design. Looks good. Kahit hindi siya RGB sa gilid guys, it's okay lang kasi pag nailawan siya, yan. So pag nailawan siya guys, yan, pag nailawan siya, tingnan nyo naman, yan. So ito siya ang design. So I like this one more compare dito sa old ko. Although maganda din ito kasi RGB. But I think I'm gonna love this one, this black color thing. Kasi yung theme is black to black yung keyboard ko, black yung mouse to black. So with a touch of red, yan. So it's red, it's green now. So it's color cycling guys. So I think I'm gonna love this one. At mura pa siya, less than 100 pesos lang. Yan. So pag nag-red siya, check natin sa red. Yung red lang. So once you download the Armoury Crate guys, and you can sync all your gadgets. So let's try solid or static color red. Yan. Yan. So pag static red, yan. Kita niyo naman guys, di ba? So ang ganda niya. Okay. So yung back, yung sa likod ko mayroon din diyan lights. Yan. Yung red siya gumagana. Yan. So ito pwedeng i-blue to. Ito doon green. Okay. So yan guys. So yung maganda dito kasi red. So I like the red. Pag intense yung yung gaming. Yeah. Okay, so if you like this unboxing guys, click subscribe. So, yan by the way guys, so just a little tutorial lang. So, pag na-sync mo na yung devices mo, yan, ROG Delta, Strix Impact, TTL, keyboard, and your PC, you can change it. You can do the cycle, yan, click on Starry Night, yan. So, pag Starry Night, yan, all the colors sa keyboard mo to change. Yan. Oh, see? Sa headset ko ganun din. And nag-change din. Right. Perfect. Okay. So thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe.